Hello students, so today we'll be studying English grammar and today we are going to study pronoun. So let's see how it works. Pronoun, let's see the definition. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. Types of pronoun. First, personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. So these are the main 7 types of pronoun. We will be looking each of them in depth in this video. Personal pronoun. It's of 3 types. First personal pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. So the first person pronoun, as the name suggests, include the person, we, the person who is talking himself, which is I, we. Second person, the person in front of you. Example, you. Third person, somebody who is not in the situation at the present moment and is a third person as the name suggests again. Example, he, she, it. Second type, indefinite pronoun. If we don't want to indicate the exact person or a place or a thing, we use a pronoun which is indefinite pronoun. So we are suspicious and we are not confirm about what is or what has exactly happened. Example, somebody ate my sandwich. I knew somebody ate, but whom I don't know. So somebody is indefinite pronoun. Second, everyone says she is beautiful, but who? Everyone. So it's an indefinite pronoun. Relative pronoun. It's mainly used when a single person is involved in both the situations and the two situations are linked. So let's say its definition, used for noun which are mentioned previously, can be used to join two sentences. Example, who, which, whom. Example 1. The cyclist who won the race trained hard. The cyclist is the same person. In two situations. First situation is the race. He was participating in the race. And trained hard is the second situation. So the same person involved in two different situations and the situations are joined by using relative pronoun. So who is the relative pronoun? And I've proven it how. Second, this is the place where we met. So place is the situation, we met is the second situation, and where is the relative pronoun relating both the situations. Intensive pronoun emphasizes a noun or pronoun. They provide more importance to the sentence. Example 1. He himself is responsible for the situation. He is responsible. By adding himself, he became importantly responsible for the situation. Second, we built the garden by ourselves. Demonstrative pronoun points something specific within the sentence. It demonstrates that this particular thing is the one which is responsible or has happened. So it's known as demonstrative pronoun. It's demonstrator. Second, they present a thing near or far in distance or time. Example 1. This is a white cow. This is a cow, but she is a white. So this cow is white. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. That's how it is explained. Second, these are my books. Third, that pen cost 2 rupees. Interrogative pronoun, very simple. It is used for asking question, process, and overall easier process. It is used to ask question. Example, what do you want now? Which color do you prefer? Where do you live? This kind of pronouns used, then it's interrogative pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, they are the object pronoun that we use when the subject and the object are the same. I ask myself. I, myself are referring to me as a person. So they are referring to the same person, the same noun. I asked to myself to calm down. He baked a cake himself. What we learned in this video: types of pronoun, personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed and this is helpful for you. Thank you.